So hello, my name is Avinash, and in this tutorial we'll be learning how to make a single row sticky when there are multiple rows in the bricks builder, right? So as you can see, when I scroll down, the top header is hidden, and when I scroll up, it is visible. Also, you can see how smooth this transition is. It is not abruptly just disappearing, right? So I'll teach you all of this in this video. So let's get inside the bricks builder header. Now we all know that bricks builder gives us the options to make the header sticky, right? So do that, and just if I go to the front end, the problem with this is that when you turn on the sticky header, it makes all of the sections inside the header sticky, right? So as you can see, both of them are sticky. But what if you only want to show a certain section, make it sticky and hide the others, right? So in this tutorial we'll learn exactly that. Now to make this possible, what we have to do is we'll need some custom CSS. Now I have included the link for the custom CSS in the description box, so description below, so make sure to copy paste the code from there. Right, so let's start the tutorial now. So first of all, go to settings, template settings, header, and make sure to turn on the sticky header option, right? And then go to the transition, right? All 0.3 seconds is in out. Now we are doing this so that the if the appearing reappearing thing, sorry, the disappearing thing can be smoother. That is why we are putting this transition thing. Let's click save. Now let's take the code element. Okay, wait, before that, go to this top header section. Make sure to give it a top underscore header class, right? So just again, let me do right, top underscore header, and then click enter. This way you'll assign a class to this section. So now this is important because in the code we have used top underscore header class to target all of the sections that needs to be hidden. Now after you have done this, go to the style, click on layout, make sure to give the height some form of max height, right? Now you can give any of the height, just make sure to give it a big enough number so that it doesn't mess with the layout. So for example, if I do 20, you can see that it messes with the layout, right? So if you want, you can also give 5, and it doesn't matter. So but for this tutorial I have given 100. Now after this, go to CSS. In the transition again, write 0.3 seconds is in out. Alright. Now after doing this, we have to take the code element. Make sure to place the code element below. Go to the content. Remove this default thing that comes with this code element. Now click on the link in the description and you'll find this code on the website. Go to CSS and paste it. Right. Now scroll down and you'll find this execute code. Make sure to turn this on, and after that you'll find the option to sign also. So make sure to sign it as well. Now save it, and now if you go to the front end, you can see this happening. Right now you can do this with multiple sections as well, right? So for example, if we are doing this, we can save it, right? For some reason your header is big enough, but you only want to, but after you scroll, you only want to make this one sticky, so you can just do that as well. So what you have to basically do is make sure that this top header class that we assigned here is same, right? So you can give any name to this, right? For example, I'll just change this header to hidden header. I don't know, it's not nice name, but just for the example, right? Now if I go to the front end, nothing will happen, right? So make sure to give the same class name here as well. So just replace this, and when you do this, okay, for some reason this is not working. Let me check. Well, it should have been working. It should work. Okay, it is working. I don't know what was the glitch, but as you can see, it is working. So make sure to replace this. I like the top header one better, so let's replace this with top header. Make sure to give the same class name and replace replace it. So let's go here as well, click on pencil icon, right top, and this is, so whatever class you give here, make sure to replace it with this top header here, or you can just give the class name top header. Now whenever you build any of the section, right, so for example you have this section, you have anything here, I don't know, whatever, but when you go to the front end, you'll see it will be sticky on, only this will disappear. So if you want to make this one also disappear, just write top header. I know I'm repeating this, but make sure to do this. See, this is also disappearing now, right? So this is how you can do it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know if you have some other tutorial in mind.